Okay, this is a demonstration of using SunVox as an effects and using MIDI control via Rosetta LFO as a demonstration of how you can automate the effects parameters. So the first thing we need to do is set up SunVox with the controls so to load correctly, and we start with an empty project. And then we get rid of the areas we don't need to look at. So we just have the parameters on the left, and we have the module area on the right. First, we add an input module. Then we'll add a distortion module under the effects section. And then we need to connect them together into the output. And then we'll need to go back to Audiobus and add SunVox into our setup. First, we'll add it to the MIDI section so that Rosetta LFO will be setting MIDI to SunVox. And we are doing it this way so that way things will load in correctly as an effects also. And that'll be the next task, is to remove and add into the correct slot, which will be the effects slot in between Plectrum and Audio Share. The Audio Share is just used to record the audio out. Okay. And then we just double tap on whatever parameter we want to control with the MIDI from Rosetta LFO. And so we'll do that for the distortion. So we just double click, and then we click next to the MIDI in. See, it turns green. And then we go to Rosetta LFO, and we're going to make sure only one of the we want is active, which will be the first one, which is MIDI CC 13. Then we'll return to SunVox and play Audiobus. We don't learn it right away. Repeat this process for the other parameters and other MIDI LFOs. Now the middle one is active, CC15. Play. Once again, so only the last one, CC17, is active. Hit play. And we're going to activate all of them, and then you'll see them all moving once we hit play in here. Okay, so now we want to save our patch for the project in SunVox. Select the date just below the little home up in the middle and make it distortion so it's more memorable for us. So you can see how it says distortion underneath the little SunVox icon upper left. And this is all you really need to do for the process. And in SunVox you can, chain multiple effects together. And once again, each parameter can be MIDI learned, as we've seen, and this can also work with hardware controllers. And now I want to save our Audiobus preset. Hit new preset, change from half leather to something more memorable.